Hello friends. Finally the wait is over and we are going to talk about IPL 2021 today. We are going to see which captain is going to win and which is the team that will win IPL. So let's talk about that. Before talking about that, we are going to talk about some of the teams which have no any chance to win. That CSK has no any chance this time simply because MS Dhoni is in 40th year and he is going to be ruled by Rahul. So because of that, I will say MS Dhoni also has no chance. And also because of the coach Stephen Fleming, he also has won 3 IPLs. So plans are already given him 3 IPL. So because of that, I will say CSK has no any chance. The next team which has also no any chance, and that team is RR. RR captain is Sanju Samson, and because of the coach Andrew McDonald, he is in 40th year, is same like MS Dhoni, and because he is in 40th year, he's going to be ruled by Rahul. So that is the reason why I am telling RR also has no chance. But RR captain Sanju Samson might do great captaincy this time. The next team which has no chance to win, and that team is Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals is a very good team, but this time the main captain of Delhi Capitals is injured, and his name is Shreyas Iyer. He is a very good captain. He's the future superstar captain, and but because of his absence in Delhi Capitals, other three captains like Steve Smith and Rishabh Pant and also Ajinkya Rahane or R. Ashwin, these four captains doesn't have any chance to win simply because Steve Smith is born in 1989 and he has Uranus very strong, but he has Pluto weak. And because of Pluto weak, as Pluto is in very powerful position now, because of that, I will say Steven Smith won't win, and Rishabh Pant is too young to win biggest tournament. So, and next captain Ajinkya Rahane is in very good year, 33rd, and he is a 33 is the number of Venus, and Venus indicates fame popularity, but he also has already made India winner against Australia at Australia home, and that is very great big simply because only one captain has beaten Australia at their home, and that was Virat Kohli, and after Virat Kohli it was Ajinkya Rahane. So he has already achieved that in 2020, in 2021 I think so. In the same year he cannot make Delhi Capitals winner, and also the other captain like R. Ashwin. R. Ashwin is a good captain, but because of the Ricky Ponting coaching, as Ricky Ponting has also achieved so many things, Ricky Ponting has been the finest batsman. He's the second highest run scorer in the world. Also, he has been the very good captain as well. He has won many tournaments, and also he has won. He has made MA winner as a coach in IPL. So he has already achieved so many things. So because of Ricky Ponting, also I will say Delhi Capitals has no chance this time. So the next team is a very strong team. Okay, you might be surprised to listen that this team also might fail to clean the trophy, and this team is, yes, you heard it right, it is KKR. KKR is the very strong team this time. KKR captain is very strong. He has already won World Cup, and the coach Brendan McCullum is in 40th year, and he is going to be ruled by Rahul. So because of the coach Brendan McCullum, as he has already won CPL, okay, in 2020. So because of that, also I will say Brendan McCullum cannot win back to back. Okay. Now before talking about the winning teams, winning teams means the teams which has the highest chance to win. Because before talking about that, I am going to talk about some of the batsmen who have the chance to win highest run scorer. So we are going to talk about some of the batsmen. Here is my list. So out of these batsmen, you will see one highest run scorer this time. And to make a team winner, we also need the bowlers, and bowlers are very important in IPL. So here is my list of the bowlers who are going to do extremely well this time. And out of these bowlers, one bowler is going to be highest wicket taker. So this is my list, and now finally we are going to talk about who has the chance to win IPL 2021. So the first captain which has a chance to win, and that captain name is Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is the number one captain simply because he has a fabulous ball chart and he has a chance to win many IPL. Last time I predicted Mumbai Indians victory simply because his plans were very strong. And this time also Rohit Sharma has a chance. His destiny number when we add his date of birth 30th April and 1987. So when we add this date of birth, there comes destiny number which is 5, and 2021 is also the year of 5. So which means that 2021 is the year of Mercury, and Rohit Sharma will be doing very great captaincy this time. So Mumbai Indians are reaching the semi-final, and Rohit Sharma also has a chance to win. The next captain which has a chance to win, and that captain name is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is also born in November 5, 1988, and he also has 5 number. He's a number 5, and he also his name is also adding on 5, and he is in 33rd year, and 33rd year is the number of Venus, which indicates fame, popularity, and because of that I will say Virat Kohli has a very high chance to win. And also because of the coach Simon Kattis is a fantastic coach, and he is born in 1975, and he is going to be in 46th year, and 46 years to 1. 1 is the number of leadership, 1 is the number of son, and that indicates leadership quality. So, and 1 number also is the very good number for the coach. So Simon Kattis, same like in 2020, he will be doing great coaching, and because of him and also because of Virat Kohli, I will say RCB has very high chance to win this time. Next team, the next captain which has a high chance to win, and that captain is David Warner. David Warner is a very good captain, and he has a chance to win 2-3 IPL. So, and he has only won 1. So David Warner is a fantastic captain. Also because of the coach, I will say Trevor Bellis has already won World Cup, and he is in 59th year this time, and 59 years to 5, and because of that 5 number, and also because of the 2021 which years to 5, and for the 5 number people this year is going to be extremely very good. So because of Trevor Bellis coaching, I will say David Warner also has very high chance. David Warner has Uranus and Neptune very strongest person is in exaltation. So because of that, I will say David Warner team SRS also has a high chance. The next team which has a very good chance and very high chance this time, and that team is going to be Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings is a very good team this time. Players they have bought are extremely very strong. The first strong player they have bought is Moises Henriques, and he is born in 1987. The next player they have bought is David Moller, and he is also born in 1987. 1987 is a very good year, and it is there when Uranus and Neptune were in very strong position. And Moises Henriques has already won 2 Big Bash League back to back, and he is extremely very strong captain. He's a very strong captain as well as a very strong player. Punjab Kings name is adding on 1 this time. They have changed their name, and 1 indicates 1 is the number of son, and that indicates leadership quality. So Punjab Kings is going to play like a champion this time. This time I will say, and because of KL Rahul, the captain, he is in 40th year, and he is going to be ruled by the Jupiter. And also because of the coach Anil Kumble, he is in 51st year, and he is going to be ruled by the Venus, the planet of fame, popularity. So you will see different Punjab Kings this time. That time it was Kings Clan Punjab, but this time it is Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings is going to reach semi-final this time. I will say out of my top 4 teams, you will see 1 winner. 1 winner also I will say later on, just before the final. Let's compare Mumbai Indians with my top 3 teams. So if Mumbai Indians is going to play RCB in the final, then these 2 teams have equal chance. But if Mumbai Indians is going to play with SRS or Kings 11 Punjab in the final, then I will say Mumbai Indians cannot win. So Mumbai Indians have a chance, but Mumbai Indians won't have high chance. So guys, this is going to be my prediction, and so if you like my prediction, you can subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.